5 minutes away lang mula dito sa bahay. Kaya palabas na tayo. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, bumabakbak na tayo. Golden Lake, bababa lang tayo ng gamit. Kaya kagasta lang yung din service. JC nandiyan na.
Without further ado, to keep the ball rolling, let's paint the town red and roll out the red carpet for the grand entrance of juniors as we take a walk of fame.
Please, let's all welcome the grade 9 students.
Golden Link, I would not think that you were the students of Golden Link. Hindi ko na kayo nakikilala. Sasabihin na best friend ko siya. Pero actually, it may not be. It may not be real friendship. It is just attraction.
Merong loyalty. At what else pa kaya yung Teacher Des?
One of the things that really stuck me the most was the lifelong friendship. It's because friendship indeed an amazing journey. You have friends through thick and thin, from low to high, downs and falls, happiness and sorrow. Friends are in till the end. Okay, table
1
number
point sa
1.
kanila.
Pick a number. Okay, number 19.
Sino to? O, yung mata.
Ang cute ng mata ko. Ay, hindi pala yun sa akin. Oh, kanina yan. Sino to? Samantha. Si Samantha daw? Samantha ang answer nila. Okay, it's Samantha. Followed by Amber. Where's Amber? Amber? Army. Priya. Sige na. May nag-hands up na dito, Chair. Sino? Si Lyken. Okay.
Chair, papatayin natin si...
Sige na. Sige na. Madali yan.
Sige. Okay, thank you, Lycan. Tama ba? Tama. Asan si Pression?
Kagaya mo sa picture. Sige na. Um,
20 daw yung number.
Si Maxine Rico. Okay,
Check.
it's Maxine.
Kay Maxine, kay Listan. Okay na.
Siya pala yan.
Okay, dito si Maxine ngayon. Ilang taon ka dito, Maxine? Hindi mo alam? Hindi niya daw alam, teacher, kung ilang taon.
Pero kung huhulaan ko mga 2 years old,
2 years old. So, tingnan niyo po yung transformation niya from 3 years old to ilang taon ka na ngayon?
secret.
Ayaw niya pong i-reveal yung edad niya.
May ilang taon ka dyan? Ay, hindi mo alam. Sige, pick a number. Ano number? Okay,
We have Abby Abiertas.
Teacher Abby, please join
B.
Teacher Alvin.
Teacher Olivia Osorio. Letter C. Oliva.
Oliva Roche.
Letter C, we have Manch Melievo. And letter D, we have Blessy Bacha. Diyan po sa gitna, teachers. The answer is
Teacher Bless.
Teacher Bless. Tatanungin natin siya. Minsan ba, Teacher Bless, pinangarap mong manirahan sa simbahan?
Nagsaserve lang po sa simbahan pero hindi po pinangarap na manirahan sa simbahan.
Handa.
Sige, sir. Teacher Abby. Teacher Abby. Okay. After this one, madre.
Tama
Teacher
kaya
Abby,
sila, Chef?
titignan natin. Tatanungin natin si Teacher Abby. Teacher Abby, sa tanan ng buhay mo kung wala kang boyfriend ngayon, ay, sorry. Joke lang po yun. Joke lang po yun. May pag-asa ba na ikaw ay isang alagad ng simbahan o maging madre?
Pero, malabo pong maging madre.
Wow! So the correct answer, sino kaya sa dalawa?
Ang natitira. Magtatanong pa ba tayo, Chen?
Okay, let's have one try.
Okay, isa naman tayo.
O, dito naman daw. Kasi parang nagagalit na sila sa atin.
Teacher Aliva po.
Teacher Oliva,
Nahulaan ba, Chen?
kung sa wakaling wala ka din kinakasama ngayon, isa ka din ba sa nanumpa at maglilingkod sa Diyos?
The answer is yes.
Yes! Si Teacher Oliva po, for your information, kung wala po siyang jowa ngayon, nasa simbahan po siya. Okay, next!
Oo, favorite ko yung Jollibee, pero sa McDo po ako nagtrabaho. Until the 10 months.
Yes! Okay, Teacher Madge, mukha ba siyang bee? Siguro ba si Teacher Madge, mukhang honey bee. Teacher Rocky nga ba? Tatanungin natin siya. Teacher Rocky, gaano mo kapaborito ang mga pagkain ng Jollibee?
Paborito ko, Chef, pero ako yung sagot, pero hindi pa ako bida-bida. Nagtrabaho ako sa Jollibee, pero hindi ako bida-bida.
Okay, the correct answer is Teacher Rocky. Okay.
Sige, thank you, Teacher Alvin.
We have Teacher Des, Teacher Rocky, Teacher Wilfred, and Teacher Vincent. What's your answer?
Teacher Vincent.
Teacher Vincent, minsan ba pinangarap mong naging Rapunzel? Ay, sorry, maging isang prinsipe sa isang pagtatanghal.
Ano po? Yes.
Pero ang tanong, teacher, ikaw po ba yung nangarap na naging or maging isang panauhan sa isang pagtatanghal o teatro?
Opo. Kung hindi po ako nagsusunod.
Ay, sorry. Kasi nga ngayon, teachers na po sila. Sila na po ang modelo ng inyong mga pag-uugali at saka karunungan na meron po tayo. Choice! Pagkanta,
Hindi po.
pagsayaw,
Runner-up lang po.
pero ang tanong, nagmumodelo ka ba dati?
Yes, I am a freelance model in Bohol community in bridal shower and also one of the faces of Body Community Modeling Agency in Bohol.
Okay, yung mga iba... Okay po, I am the answer po. I joined the selection for the Fire Officer 1, pero di ko po kinayanan. Alam nyo na kung bakit. Gusto ko pong maging teacher at gusto ko po kayong turuan lahat.
We're driving down a road that showed you so cool. From your head to your hair, absent-mindedly making me want you.
one of the amazing person in grade 9. So, how was your feeling in first time attending this one?
My first time, it's amazing, enjoyable, partyable. I love it. I enjoy it so much. And the food is so yummy. I rate it 10 over 10. Yeah.
Song for everyone. I have your your attention, please. Yan. Alam nyo, napaka-special tong gabing to. Bakit? Kasi, aside from seeing grade 9 going up to grade 10, we are actually also maybe saying goodbye to grade 10. And you are entering senior high school. Right? So, for me, this is one of the things that we look forward kaming mga teachers, that all of you are moving up to your next level. Naalala ko pa yung grade 9 and grade 10. Sino dito yung mga nag-preschool, nag-elementary? Yan, di ba? Book page ng Golden Link. At the same time, may photo gallery yan. Nakita ko, nung kayo ay elementary pa lang, grade 3, grade 2, may mga ilan sa inyo na dito po nag-elementary. Sabi ko, ang babata pa nitong mga to, pero ngayon, dalaga at binata na kayo. So this afternoon when I saw you there, wow, sabi ko, mukhang you are already in a level or age na kung saan you are entering already adulthood or maybe maturity. Yung uli na yung tao na yon ay importante sa inyo. So it means that there's no friendship over. It's just that we have to communicate. It's just that we have to express our feelings, our emotions, our experiences, and trying for the person to understand our side, our point of view. Kay Teacher Rafi, especially kay Teacher Alvin, sino nag-conceptualize niyan? Sino ang gumawa niyan? Sino ang nag-direct niyan? Laging sinasabi sa akin ni Teacher Alvin, teacher, sila lang. And tumatak sa isip ko na ang grade 10 is a class or a batch na you are not just, magpe-prepare kayo ng kutso-kutso. The term is kutso-kutso. You'd like to really do your best in whatever things that you'd like to do. And that teamwork that you have presented or that you have displayed or demonstrated is something admirable that I would tell to grade 9 also to follow. Actions in life. Alam ko po na iba-iba sa inyo, meron tayong iba't ibang perceptions. Remember this, that perceptions are not necessarily true. Sometimes those perceptions are shaped by our emotions, by our feelings, by our cultural background, or sometimes our push buttons. Remember to be aware. The second thing is remember to be aware. While we are perceptions in life, we continue to respect and accept the perception of other people. Differences. And the third is be able to adapt with the change. Akala natin yung friend natin sila na actually, but something might change. But be ready to adapt with that change, that it should not be the reason for you to give up.
Ready to start it all, that's when I need a friendly face to see me through this lonely day. I haven't gone that far away, and since I am the kind of friend who know would stay with you through all the pain. See, the world seems bright again. It only darkens now and then. Most of the time, there's just no telling when. Look up and see, you've got me. Here we are. We may have come our different ways, but since we are the kind of friends who'll always stay, no matter what the pain, learning to love that kind of rain, ready to say we're here to stay in every way. Although we've got our different points of view, we've been there once before and get our points of view. It doesn't really matter if they're never quite the same.
To step forward on your next journey.
Brace yourselves as the Great and A and Great and B will present their dance number with the special participation of our social studies teacher, Miss Mary Ann Jane Meliebo. Let's give them a resounding applause.
That's just for fun. Want no one to stick around. One's trying to get you out, baby. Don't care if it's wrong, baby. No, that's why when the sun's up, I'm staying. Still laying in your bed, saying, got this time on my hands. Might as well cancel our plans. I could stay here for a lifetime. So knock the door and throw the key. Can't fight this no more. It's just you and me, and there's nothing I can do. I'm
in the school. Sinong teacher ang gagawa nun sa atin na susunduin tayo sa labas kasi mauulanan tayo? Diba? So thank you teachers because that moment you have showed us that you really have a heart of a teacher. So maraming salamat po teachers. Wonderful place for our students to learn not only academic lessons but preparing them for life. Natatandaan ko, 2016, I applied here in Golden Link at may essay. Kala nyo kayo lang nag-essay? Hindi, may essay si Teacher Aaron na pinapasagot. How do you see yourself 20 years from now? Or how do you see yourself as a teacher? And sabi ko dun sa essay na sinulat ko, I will make the world a better place. Admin staff, hello po Miss Eunice, ang ating assistant of the President. Ayan, nandito po. Tama po ba ako? Sorry po. Baka po mali yung aking mga nababanggit dito. Sila Miss Bell, of course, our support staff, security guard, sa canteen concessionaires po natin, sa mga nanay, at kila Kuya Marvin, kila Kuya Brian, na talagang walang sa... Alam nyo, we can see value from them yung hindi sila napapagod sa araw-araw na ginagawa nila. That's an inspiration. To Ma'am Reka and all our donors, locally and internationally. Maraming salamat po for putting up Golden Link College and extending it not only here in the Philippines but around the world. Maraming salamat po for servicing us for how many years now in Golden Link College. Grabe po yung partnership. Maraming salamat po. So once again, thank you so much everyone, and in the end, again, it's been an honor and a pleasure working with all of you.
Next school year, lilipat na ako. Hindi dahil gusto ko, pero dahil sa pangangailangan na rin. Pero naisip ko, sila yung first advisory ko. Tapos ngayong school year, sila pa rin yung advisory ko. Pinangako ko sa sarili ko, isang taon na lang. Hihintayin ko silang graduate at gusto ko mas kasaksihan lahat yun. Na lahat sila aakyat ng stage at patuloy na tinatahak yung pangarap na gusto nilang puntahan sa senior high school. Maraming nangyari, maraming pagsubok, maraming problema na kinaharap ang grade 9, pero ang nakakatuwa, kahit maraming problema, maraming pagsubok, nakatindig pa rin sila. At nakakatuwa dahil marami mang problema, pag once binigyan sila ng advice, ng mga payo, nakikinig sila sa mga advisor nila. Bilang advisor sa 9D, hindi magiging successful itong taon nito kung hindi dahil sa kanya. Para naman sa grade 10. Actually, may messiah ako sa grade 10. Pinamagatang itong 4. 4 na sulok ng silid-aralan, ang mga mag-aaral ay nakabuo ng magagandang alaala. Mayroong tawanan na dalang masasayang alaala. Nariyan ang tiyak at hindi magagandang alaala. Ngunit sa kabila ng mga samot-saring emosyon, nakatindig pa rin kayo na tila estatwa na hindi nagpapadaig sa anumang punos. Yung ginapos ng pandemya. Tahanan, ngunit hindi ito naging hadlang upang ipagpatuloy ang inyong nasimulan na pangarap. Nang makabalik kayo sa paaralan, nariyan ang iilan na nahihirapan muli makipaghalubilo, makipag-ugnayan sa kanilang mga kamag-aral, kaibigan at maging sa kanilang guro.
Napakahirap namang sundan yung tula ni Teacher Abby. Kumakain! Okay, sige po. So, serious na tayo, grade 9 na. Grade 9 and grade 10. Students. Hello, campers! Bigyan ng isang patak! Bigyan ng isang patak! Bigyan mo pa! Bigyan mo pa! Ang galing-galing! Okay, thank you for that. Tapos na po. Okay, sige. So, see how time flies so fast, students. Parang kahapon lang nasa youth camp pa tayo, pero ngayon, tingnan nyo, magaganda na kayo, at guwapo, di naliligo tuwing youth camp. Ay, sorry, naribig, sorry po. Anyway, sige po, serious na tayo. Okay, today marks, students, naiiyak kasi ako. Bakit po ganyan yung tugtog? Okay, sige. Okay. Sige po. Sige po. So, students, staffs, teachers, today marks as one of the sophisticated night for each and every one of us. This event also serves as the celebration of each and everyone's hard work and effort throughout the school year. Speaking of hardship, so this message is for all the students.
That everyone is excited to dance na. And then, I would like to start my message na thank you for attending this kind of event. So, sabi ko nga kanina that you are lucky that you attend this kind of event kasi ako nung high school ako hindi ko na-attend yung ganitong event.
Ang hirap po maging huli, parang ikaw po yung kung sa paragraph, you will be the concluding part. But before I will start, I will just make my speech as short as I can. But first and foremost, I would like to thank the GLC as a whole. Because in GLC, I found a new home and I found a new family. Thank you to Teacher Aaron, to all the admins, sa coordinator po namin. Hindi ko man po kayo maisa-isa, but from my heart, alam niyo po that I really found a real home here in GLC. To all our students, most especially the grade 10A, even Teacher Alvin has a lot of things na pinapagawa sa inyo. Siguro, i-reserve ko yung iba for your graduation. But bago niyan, hindi muna kayo. Let me thank first to my colleagues, most especially those advisory class ng most awaited night, the grade 9 and the grade 10. Teacher Nico, Teacher Aaron, thank you for the opportunity that you have given on us. It is a great opportunity for us to decide and to test our being yung pagiging decision making namin. Alam ko sa mga kasama ko sa Google Meet during our program flow, this will be an impossible program without the help. Sabi nga po sa puzzle, hindi po mabubuo pag hindi po lahat nandun. I would like to thank the advisory, yung mga advisors po together with Teacher Des. Again, to the teachers, admin, salamat po sa pagtitiwala. Then of course, to our students, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Lalong-lalo na nung practice, you know how short time that we have prepared for this. But as I look in every faces that you have right now, that is your first letter na natutunan nyo on your first year in school.
headphones. Audio. Kabila C. Headphones.
Alright, 10A.
Walking with you on the silent, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my word. Kahit tumatama, oh shucks, sino ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang tumatama? This boy, it feels so good. Oh, pero mas masaya pag wala na makita ka. Feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang isang tropiko. Can't wait till I'm back with you.
Teachers, trainers, ka-army, si Liz.
Ayaw maniwala. It's not too late. I'm ready to be called a princess.
Alright, everybody, for the last chance. Let's go to the dance floor.
Pag-ibig na nadarama sa tuwing hawak ang iyong kamay. Ako'y malingap na isang malaking sablay. Pasensya ka na sa bangkotang isip kong ito. Nasusuyapan ng kahapon aking bawat paghinga. Sinta, kaya pasensya ka na sa bangkotang isip ko ito. Dahil
Ayan, ligpitan na. Uwi na.